To Dopp or not to Dopp? That is the question. Actually, not really. That's not even a legitimate question. It's just earlier this week, I had received a Dopp bag in the mail, and that just popped into my head for whatever reason. But I mean, the good thing from that, even if it doesn't make any sense whatsoever, it did bring about this video and the topic at hand, and that's Dopp bags. And if you aren't familiar with the term Dopp bag, that's toiletry bag, sponge kit, ditty bag. There's a lot of names out there, but what it is essentially is a travel kit. Essentially what we're going to do today is go over what we have in our travel bags. I'm going to go ahead and share what I have in mine, and please feel free to share with all of us what you carry in yours. Speaking of Dopp bags and the one I received earlier this week, here it is. From the Beard Struggle. Pretty rad. Now, this transition, I'm not sure if it's going to make any sense whatsoever, but I just want to do it. So here we go. Let's take a look inside the Dopp bag. Boop. I don't even know if that's going to look good or not, but we did it anyways. We just went ahead and we went with it. With the items that I'm about to show you, they're not going to be in any particular order. Toothpaste, toothbrush. From my personal experience, I do find it a lot easier to pack the collapsible toothbrushes. If you can think of anything else, go ahead, let us know below in the comment section. But yeah, super basic. I think this is probably $1 or so from Target, but that's this. So toothbrush, toothpaste. Now, when I do go over liquids, if you are flying, make sure that they fall under the TSA allowances for travel. Deodorant, razor. Yes, I do pack a razor. Now, obviously it's not for my face, but it's actually for the side of my beard and also my neckline. In addition to the normal razor, if you will, I do also pack a safety razor and also hair clippers. Now, I don't always pack the hair clippers. If I'm going on a long trip, I will, but most of the time I already have my hair the way that I want it, so I don't really need these. But for the safety razor, I do use this on my cheek line. If there's a special dinner planned or whatnot, and I need to clean up a tad bit, I'll bring this. I'll also pack a couple combs. This comb right here is for the stash, and this comb right here from the Beard Struggle is for the beard. Speaking of the beard, I do pack beard balm, and also beard shampoo and conditioner. And all of these are from the Beard Struggle. Oh, can't forget the beard oil. Now, something that people might not necessarily think about is a safety 20 for emergencies. You never know what situations may occur, so I always have a 20 spot. Also, safety's first. Always bring protection. And what I mean by protection, your scrapes and scratches protection, in addition to the other kind of protection, and Q-tips. Now, getting to the smaller things, we have scissors. With the scissors, I mean, you can use them for everything from tags to mustache to cleaning up the hair around your ears. Lots of uses for the scissors, obviously. Floss. Now, to be honest, I hardly ever floss my teeth. I know it's very bad, but I do have it in the Dopp bag, and I probably floss my teeth more while traveling than I do at home. Tweezers, because I have a unibrow. Clippers. I pack the large clippers, and you know what? Sometimes I do pack the small clippers, but most of the time I just have one set of clippers to save space, and I choose these because it gets the job done faster because I can use them on both my fingernails and toenails, and they cover a larger surface area. Now, in addition to the normal toiletries for getting ready, I also pack, in addition to that 20 spot, I pack an extra cube and cable for charging my phone. Just in case something happens to my other one, I'll always have a backup. Going back to the liquids and TSA allowances, in addition to that, I always make sure to double bag them, if you will. I always have them in a Ziploc bag in addition to whatever else they're in, because one thing that definitely sucks when traveling is opening up your suitcase or bag of luggage, whatever it may be, and having something just spread all over your clothes. definitely sucks. So to help prevent that, double bag it. That's pretty much everything that I have in my Dopp bag. I know that I should have some sunblock in there, ibuprofen, and if there's any medications that you need to have on you, I would make sure to always have them ready to go in your Dopp bag. I don't really have any medications right now that I need to take. So yeah, so that's that. Now, I don't think that I mentioned this earlier, but you should have duplicates of everything that you get ready with. You should have your necessities, your essentials in your bathroom, and then also have duplicates of your essentials in your Dopp kit already set to go. That way, again, you don't have to scrummage around and try to make sure that you have everything in there. So that's everything in my Dopp bag. Now, let us know what's in yours. And again, feel free to leave comments, questions, concerns in the comment box below. And as always, I hope that you found this video helpful, perhaps intriguing. If you did, please go ahead and give this a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe. Until next time, peace.